Two headphones, two sound experiences. Find the one that feels right every day. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Apple AirPods Max 2 and Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones to see which one comes out on top. From sound quality and noise cancellation to comfort, battery life, and smart features, we'll cover the key differences to help you find the perfect pair. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. The Apple AirPods Max 2 features a premium aluminum and stainless steel construction with a breathable mesh headband and luxurious ear cushions, delivering a high-end feel and exceptional comfort. In contrast, the Sony WH-1000XM6 uses a lighter weight design with high-quality plastics and improved ergonomics, prioritizing portability and long-term wearing comfort. The AirPods Max 2 focuses on rich, detailed audio with personalized spatial audio, dynamic head tracking, and computational audio processing for an immersive listening experience. Meanwhile, the Sony WH-1000XM6 offers a balanced, highly customizable sound signature with LDAC support, advanced upscaling technologies, and excellent detail retrieval across genres. The AirPods Max 2 delivers up to 20 hours of playback with USB-C charging and seamless connectivity across Apple devices. The Sony WH-1000XM6 provides up to 30 hours of battery life with ANC-enabled, fast charging capabilities, and reliable multi-point Bluetooth connectivity for multiple devices. The AirPods Max 2 integrates deeply with the Apple ecosystem, offering automatic device switching, personalized spatial audio, Find My support, and hands-free Siri access. The Sony WH-1000XM6 includes adaptive ANC, speak-to-chat, multi-point pairing, extensive EQ customization, LDAC support, and intelligent listening features through the Sony Sound Connect app. The Apple AirPods Max 2 launched in March 2026 with a starting price of approximately $549, positioning it as Apple's flagship premium over-ear headphone. In comparison, the Sony WH-1000XM6 launched in May 2025 with a starting price of approximately $449, targeting users seeking class-leading ANC, portability, and advanced audio features. The Apple AirPods Max 2 is ideal for users deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem, who want premium build quality, immersive spatial audio, and seamless device integration. The Sony WH-1000XM6 is better suited for users who prioritize top-tier noise cancellation, extensive customization, lighter weight, and excellent all-around performance across both Android and Apple devices. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.